Okay, so first we're gonna go in with the eyeshadow since I'm not doing face makeup, and I'm gonna be using the Jeffree Star Alien palette, which is his new. I got at a MORPHE store. And here's the colors. I don't like how flimsy it is. Oh, but you can bend it back. So that's also a plus. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do like a green look because I never do green. But apparently green looks good with brown eyes, so we're gonna try this. So I'm gonna get Flying Saucer, which is like a dark green. Ooh, that doesn't look that good. I'm gonna get Flying Saucer, like a dark green. Okay, it applies a lot better with this, like not with this brush and like with my finger. How do I get it on my nail? I got some Abduction, which is like a greenish yellow, and I put that with it. And here's what it looks like. So then I'm gonna wet a brush with my stuff. So I'm gonna use this to wet my stuff. It comes from Grace and Stella. And I'm gonna get Alien, which is a shimmery green. And I'm gonna put this on the lid. So here's the eye look. It's pretty simple. The palette, like, it's like pigmented if you like wet the brush or you like do it with your finger. It's not that pigmented with a blending brush. So yeah. So I'm gonna do the other eye and it's probably gonna be sped up. Okay, but after that, I'm gonna go in with the other palette I got from MORPHE, and it's from Bretman Rock, and it's called Babe in Paradise, and it's his highlighter palette. So I'm gonna go in with Vacation. His highlighters are so good. Okay, so there are the highlighters, and I'm gonna be right back with some lashes. So here's the complete look. I have the lashes on, and what do I think about the two palettes? I love the Bretman Rock one. The Jeffree Star one was iffy. Like, I don't really care for it. Maybe I need to play with it some more, but that's it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Click the circle to subscribe and click the box to watch my previous video. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time on Miss Clipper 12. Bye!